No, let me explain this point. Now this is same, we consider that this is not running finance. So let us assume that this is the running musharakah. Running musharakah, tenure 1 year, same 100 million. And this is a withdrawal, this is deposits, final, this is the 52 million. And because there is no interest. Level 1. Now we are that we want to see that how profit rate is determined and distributed in running musharakah. So profit rate distributed on 2 levels. Level 1. According to level 1, they say that we will see what is the total investment of running musharakah. And how they will come to know? By the end of the running musharakah, they will come to know that how much money client has used. Corporate client has used 52 million. So they say that this is the Islamic bank investment share because the client has used Islamic bank's money. So this is IB's share. IB's share. This is 52 million. Okay. So what would be the client's share? Client's share. Here, the Islamic bank product says, and expert says that by the end of running musharakah, the business worth of will be estimated. The business worth of client will be estimated. The estimation will be considered his investment share. For example, the client's business worth was estimated, and it was found that his estimated his share was 40 million. Let us assume his business worth was 40 million. So what is the total investment? Total investment of joint business. That is 52 plus 40. This is 92 million. This is total investment. Now, according to level 1, they say that according to as per KIBOR rate of this total investment. Now look at here. 0.14, it is 14%. Multiply 90. This is 12.88 million. So according to the first level, they say that contemporary KIBOR rate market is 14%. So at first level, we will find out the KIBOR rate into total investment of the business, and the amount is 12.88. So they say that joint, what the profit, ever the profit joint business will earn in the future by the end of the running musharakah, let's assume total profit. Total profit is, we assume here that this is the 20 million. Roundabout. We just estimate. Okay. So this is 20 million profit. Now, according to the first level, that equal to this amount. And what is this amount? KIBOR into total investment of the joint business. They say that this is the profit ceiling. This is profit ceiling. And what does this ceiling mean? This ceiling mean that whatever would be the profit, we will distribute the profit till this ceiling. Till this ceiling according to our investment shares. So at first level, profit will be distributed according to investment shares of Islamic Bank and the client till the amount of ceiling. And this is the way that they found the ceiling. This is the profit ceiling. Now let me check that IB's share of profit. What is the investment share of Islamic Bank? Let's check here. Equal to 52 divided by 92 total investment. Here 40 divided by 92, and this is so now this is the investment share of Islamic Bank and this is the investment share of client. Okay, so IB's investment share is 50.6 into this profit 12 point, because this profit ceiling will be distributed between the Islamic Bank according to their investment shares, and this is 7.28 million. Client's share of profit into, this is the client share, into, this is the profit ceiling. So this is here. Now Islamic Bank earned 7.28 million and client earned 5.6 million in the first level profit, in the level 1. This was the profit distribution in level 1. Okay, what is the level 2? Level 2 profit. So according to the contract and running Musharakah, the level 2 says that the remaining profit will be distributed. What is the remaining? Remaining profit. Remaining profit is equal to total profit minus the profit that has been distributed. That is the profit ceiling. The remaining profit is 7.1 million. Now this 7.12 million, yet it has to be distributed between the Islamic Bank and the client.